Hello students, the subject that we are going to study today is grammar and the topic is questions. We all know what questions are, right? We ask questions to get some information. Now let us see how many types of questions are there. There are major three types of questions. One, yes no questions. Second, WH questions. And third, alternative questions. Yes no questions, the reply to these questions is either a yes or a no, or it can be called as close-ended question also. WH questions are formed using question words who, when, what, where, how and why. This I think we all are aware about. Alternative questions gives options. That means in the question itself there are two options. So the answer has to be either any one of the option. For example, would you like to watch TV or chat online? So it's either of it. Okay, now let us see the each types of questions in detail. The first one, yes no questions. In this type of questions, the verb comes before the subject. For example, Hussein is a painter. If this is the sentence, now what question should we ask to get this answer? So the question would be, is Hussein a painter? And the answer would be yes, Hussein is a painter. Now, if there is a helping verb, it comes before the subject. For example, should people protect trees? Now here people is subject and should is a helping verb and the main verb is protect. So in such sentences, the helping verb comes before the subject. On the other hand, if there is no helping verb, then we have to use the words like does or do if it is in simple present tense, and did if it is in simple past tense before the subject. Okay. Now let us see one example of that. Does Suraj make tea? Now here Suraj is the subject and make is the main verb. So here the helping verb is does. Okay. Do ostriches lay eggs? Did you paint the wall? Etc. Now let us look into the WH questions. WH questions are who, whose, whom, where, what, when, why, which, etc. Now let us see when to use which question word. Now when you have to ask about a person, if you want to know any information about a person, you will ask questions starting with who, whose, whom. For example, who are your best friends? Whom are you waiting for? Okay. Second, where. When you want to know information about a place, then we ask questions starting with where. For example, where do you live? What. When you want to know about a particular thing, we ask questions beginning with what. For example, what is her favorite color? Next, when. Now, whenever you want any kind of information related to time of an event or an activity, we ask questions beginning with when. For example, when is his birthday? When is the recess? Etc. Why. We use why questions to know the reason. For example, why are they always late? Next, which. We use this question word to ask about an option or a choice. For example, which day do you prefer for a meeting? Today or tomorrow? And the last one is how. Now this is not specifically a WH questions. However, it is one amongst one of them. How we use to ask the procedure or the method. For example, how this particular thing is done. How can I learn English quickly? Okay. Now let us look into the last one, alternative questions. Alternative questions is nothing but it gives choice between options and the options are contained in the question itself. Okay, and the options are connected by the word or. So you can easily make out that this is an alternative question. Now let us see one example. Are you a policeman or a soldier? Okay. What do you like more, cake or ice cream? So there are two alternatives and the answer is any one of it, either cake or ice cream or policeman and soldier. Next. Now these were the three major types of questions. However, there are some other types of questions as well which are used very rarely. Now they are also three types: exclamatory, rhetorical and echo. Now what is an exclamatory question? Exclamatory question expresses the speaker's strong feeling. For example, the person gets surprised about something, then he uses exclamatory questions. For example, haven't they changed? How handsome he is. Okay. Next, rhetorical questions. A rhetorical question. In a rhetorical question, the speaker of a rhetorical question does not expect an answer. For example, can you bring me the moon? Now obviously it is understood that moon cannot be brought, but then it's just asked for the sake of making fun or just like that. The last one is echo. In the echo type of questions, the speaker repeats a part or the whole of something which is already said. Okay, now particular sentence is already said and the person repeats the same thing again, saying, asking what. For example, it is a wonderful gift. It is a wonderful what? Okay, so then the answer to it is gift. So these are echo type of questions. Okay, so I hope children you all have understood this lesson. Your homework for today is that you have to solve even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 questions from all the exercises in this lesson. For example, from exercise A, you will solve the following questions: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Same for A, B, C and D. Okay, thank you.